Hello fellas, as you can see, have the Makita 10.8 really volt Lithium battery, and this battery is not accepted by the charger, so I will measure the current, because this one was laying around for a really long time, I think so, and it shows 3.13. You can see it, yeah. So that's definitely not enough, and the good battery that is accepted by the charger shows 11.5. So what we can do in this case, we can try to jump start the battery. You can see we have the negative here and positive here. Yeah, I adjusted both cable ends to get inside the battery. So the negative goes to the negative. We don't have flames, that's good for us. And now we have positive to the positive, of course. I don't have very good contact here. Okay, basically now when I will measure it, I will see the same voltage here, 10.8 now, and 10.8 now. I will just leave it for some time. Okay, I'm back after about 4 minutes. Now we can check the voltage on the wires. We have 10.8. So I will disconnect the positive and the negative, and with a big hope that I will see some better voltage here. Yeah, I can see 9.2. So I have the hope that the old battery will be accepted by the charger. And it's a little bit sad that my charger is on the wall. I cannot film it. Okay, so I will put it to the battery, but I think it will work because we have the good voltage here. Of course, that will not increase the capacity or the durability of the battery because it's just old battery. Okay, but it's a just simple way to jump start it and fix it for some time.